Find the integral of 1 over x to the 2/3 power times the quantity 1 plus x to the 1/3. All right, so this looks a little bit complicated, right? We got a rational function, right? 1 over, and then we got two terms down here. Right, but we see something in parentheses, right? So usually your first thought is, well, let's let u equal that inner function, right? So let's let u equal 1 plus x to the 1/3. Okay. Now what happens when we take du? Okay, well, derivative of 1 is just 0, right? What's the derivative of x to the 1/3 power? It's the 1/3 x to the negative 2/3 du. And wait a minute, x to the negative 2/3, right? That's just 1 over x to the 2/3, which I see right here, right? So this is the correct u substitution that we want to do. Now, of course, we do have this extra 1/3 here, right? Or in this case, right? Actually, this should be dx here, right? Not du. Okay. So let's take a look. Right, 1 over x to the 2/3 dx is equal to 3 du. So that's what we're going to replace with here, right? Right. This is our 1 over x to the 2/3 dx. We'll replace that with 3 du, and then this is our u that we'll just replace in there. So really, what does this problem become? It becomes the integral of 3 du over u. Now, of course, this is just the way that I wrote it, right? Usually, we would just bring that 3 in front. We put it as 1 over u du. Okay, wait a minute. I know what the integral of 1 over u is, right? It's just ln of u, right? So that's our guess. What do we get? 3 times the ln of u plus c. Okay. And of course, the last step, we just want to replace the u. So we get 3 times the ln of 1 plus x to the 1/3, right, plus c. And this, right, this should be our final answer.